Hi everyone, we are John and Melanie Horsey from John Horsey Horticulture, and we upload weekly gardening tutorials on all things gardening to help you develop your gardening skills. John has over 45 years experience as a professional horticulturist, starting as a nurseryman specialising in alpines and winning gold at Hampton Court, before retraining as a college lecturer and teaching here in Somerset. He was also instrumental in setting up the foundation degree for the University of the West of England in Bristol. Since 2011, we've been running private, non-accredited horticultural and garden history courses in the southwest of England, and our lovely students range from complete beginners to seasoned horties. During the summer months, we pack in loads of visits both at home and abroad, giving our students as broad a range as possible. We began our videos as a bonus tool for our students, but now believe our weekly videos can help you develop your gardening passion, to start you off helping you gain knowledge and build your confidence. If you are interested and passionate about gardening and need more know-how, press the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our regular uploads. Thank you for watching this trailer, and we will see you in our next video.